What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO Reviews, and now I'm reviewing Utile Network, bringing it all together for cryptocurrency asset investment management. So this is a platform for cryptocurrencies, influencers, founders, and all the rest, where people can come together and share information about cryptocurrency and get reward for that. And let's scroll down. And now you see the founder system. You see a video. This is about one of their team member, and you can find it here on the YouTube channel. They have this explanation video, and they have this, so you can watch this, and that gives you a peace of mind that this ICO is not a scam. Is not really a scam because a member of their team member is showing himself face to face, so you can see him talking on the video. Now that gives you peace of mind. Yeah. Scroll down. And you can see the total supply is 200 million. The soft cap is 2 million US dollars. The hard cap is 10.8 million US dollars. We start in June and it will end uh, in the quarter for the last quarter of 2018, which we are already almost there. So the token distribution, you can find it. Now look at this profile ranks. If you are a novice member there, you freeze at least 2,500 Utile token for 30 days and get additional 1% bonus from the reward system. You freeze at least 50,000 Utile token for 30 days and get additional 3% bonus from the reward system. Now you freeze at least 100,000 Utile token for 30 days and get additional 7,000 bonus from the reward system. You freeze at least 200,000 Utile token for 30 days and get an additional 30% bonus for it. So that is a good reward one can get for staking or for keeping his coin. There, this is the roadmap. Go through the roadmap. Yeah, I'm going to go through the roadmap and see more about what they hope to achieve and a lot of things. This team member is here. The CEO Jacob Banszkowski, Zakary Zemianov, and all the rest. This is Anthony Lasky that is in the video. This video. Yeah. So on the founder and different questions you may want to have. This is their partner credit, clarified on Quantor, Zero Protocol, Banker, and all the rest, and different documents you can get here. You can get here. Yeah, let's check the white paper. You can see the same. The 200 million total supply, as I've told you before. All the information about here, and I'm going to go through the white paper. Go through the white paper, read the white paper. It tells you a whole lot in depth of how the project is all about. So I'm really bullish. I'm really happy to present Utile Network for you if you don't know about it and what it's all about. And but don't forget, anything I say in this video is strictly my personal opinion. Don't take it as a financial advice. I'm just doing this review for after my personal decision. So please, I want to know that. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, hit the like button and notification bell. And I will continue to bring more videos for you. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.